All right, so for this video we will be talking about, or I will be talking about volume as applied to the system, and what or how it is used for, well, on the charts. So currently I'm looking at a daily chart, and I have added some kind of volume indicator to the trading view screen here, and I would like to claim that on this chart the volume is fairly even across the entire spectrum from left to right. Right, so let's have a look at it. So, well, this system, well, I am now showing daily chart, and yeah, because of that, well, fairly even volume is shown here, right? So now if we change to 1 hour, something will happen, right? And what you notice is that, well, okay, something happened here. Let's outline that, right? Something happened here, okay? And again, yeah, something happened at this time, or also here. Let's go again, just to make it very obvious. Okay, here's something happened. Okay, something happened, well, in this area here. Something also happened in this area here. Something happened here as well. Right, now look at now the volume as outlined and compare with time. Okay, here time is 01, 02, 03. Okay, something happened here at my time currently in the night. All right, never mind that. Okay, here 10. So this is all the way from London to all the way through and at the beginning of New York session, and then the volume kind of dries out. And again, something happens here, for example here as well, although not outlined. 2 until 7, this is the beginning of New York, and like same here, 11, 12, 13, yeah, some kind of volume happens here. It's kind of New York session through this, and also, so what am I saying? Volume as compared to when a session is happening, right? I know why this happened, but that is beside the point of this video. Now let's go to M5. So let's go here. Notice what happened here. I have added a session indicator to the screen to show something. Here it says New York, and this square is the so-called New York session. And what we see here compared to volume is that at the start of the session we have low volume, we come into New York and something happens, we start getting volume, right? And as session goes on, volume tapers, and then in the end something else happens, and then we have pretty much nothing happening across over the night, and Sydney and Tokyo, as this both are called, not much happens here, although price moves, right? And we can see a bit bigger bars here in the beginning, and this says London, the blue box. So at the beginning of London, bigger bars come in. So compare the volume to where the session starts, and how much volume it is. It is something that I add to this trading system, and my point is only that when new information comes into the market, if accompanied by volume, we will see the new information with its direction, right? And because of this, in the system, when a session is opening, I will wait for the volume to show where we're going and see how much power that we have at that time. Notice here, for example, New York, the red square, we got some action here, and then suddenly bam, it's a shift of power here, right? A lot more power. And in this particular case, we went up, and then we start New York, price goes up. This is the recent swing, we close below it, telling me well, this is beyond the scope of this particular video, but it's telling me that power was up, but hey, guess what? We have more power going down, and so perhaps the new power that is open here wants to continue down, and we continue down, and we continue down, and I don't know where we end up after that, but hey, that's my point. So, as with news, as with opening of sessions, the rule is for this system, the BST system, and how I trade it, wait for the session, open, wait for the new volume, wait for the new information to come into the market and display the amplitude that it carries with it. This is the M5 chart, and yeah, I've outlined some things, and this is, yeah, check the date and you will understand what happened here. But yeah, see a lot of volume here. Yeah, again, Tokyo, Sydney, New York. Notice New York spikes, we go down, spike down, I don't know why, but you know, yeah, spike down, and we start going up. That's it for this video. If you like it, push the like button, and if you have questions, post your questions.